Ahoy, shipmates! You join us on the home stretch of the 9 o'clock Cows to Southampton handicapped Ferry flat race. Currently in the lead is the local favourite, the Red Falcon, from the Red Funnel stables. On the inside is the Victoria of Wight from the Wightlink stables. As you can see, it's turning into quite a close race. The Red Falcon is normally more familiar with this stretch of water, whereas the Victoria of Wight is plying her trade normally from Portsmouth to Fishbourne. But it looks like she's read the water well and is closing in on the Red Falcon. And I think she's just taken the lead. Looking very resplendent there in her white livery with the green and blue graphics. Victoria of Wight is slightly heavier than the Red Falcon, almost twice the weight, with 8,000 gross tons compared to Red Falcon's 4,000 gross tons. Red Falcon, on the other hand, is 915 hands long, where the Victoria of Wight is 875 hands long. Both have a recorded top speed of 13 knots. It's looking really close at the moment. I think that Victoria of Wight has just managed to creep a little bit of the lead over Red Falcon. Perhaps she's using her hybrid technology, which is electric motors and batteries assisting the Victoria of Wight, and maybe that's just giving her that extra boost of speed, or maybe it's because she's in the small ships channel, found slightly smoother sailing, or perhaps her bigger bulk, allowing the tailwind to just give her the extra half a knot. Certainly getting close. There's not much further to go as we reach the 10 nautical mile mark, just about 3 nautical miles left to go. Conditions today on the course are very good. We have a gentle breeze from the southwest and a gentle swell about half a metre. Oh, and it looks like Red Funnel are throwing in a cheat here. They've sent the red jet down to maybe try and confuse things here, throw off the opposition. But I don't think it's working. I think, in fact, it looks to me like Red Falcon has slowed down. In fact, Red Falcon is slowing down. Oh, I think it's all gone wrong here. They've planned it badly. The Red Funnel has thrown the game away here. The race has more or less finished as we get gate crashed by the HMM Goan. And yes, Victoria of Wight is stretching a lead here. Red Falcon looks like just pulled up early. Maybe just went a little too hard and fast early. And not going to get to the home stretch or to the finish line before the Victoria of Wight. Well, hope you enjoyed that little race, shipmates. And you never know what you see on the water in the Port of Southampton. Till next time, shipmates.